Hey guys, my name is Ihor and today I'm happy to present our April product update. With this update, we're bringing some new automations, some new integrations, and overall better user experience. Let me log into my account so I can show you around. So first of all, with this update, we are bringing Workee Co-Pilot. Workee Co-Pilot is your personal AI assistant that helps you to automate your work and provide you with the suggestions on the next best step you can do to increase your sales, to improve your marketing, and to improve your client retention. Second one is new dashboard. We fully redesigned our new dashboard to make sure it fits well with insights that you are getting, and also now you can see all your orders in one simple place. Zapier integration is a great integration that brings you access to over 6,000 applications. This is the best way to connect Workee with your existing tools like Google Sheets, additional calendars, or some CRM systems or accounting systems just in 2 clicks. Analytics, another great update that allows you to connect Workee to your Google account, Facebook account, TikTok account, and make sure you can set up conversions when you are running your advertising. You can set up targets, goals, and make sure you can optimize every step of your funnel. And yeah, overall, a lot of improvements to the entire user experience. Let me go one by one. So first of all, it's insights. As you can see, insights are now living in different parts of our application. First of all, dashboard is now our main page. And on dashboard, you can see insights. Here you can see some new insights like sales, business, client in different categories. And if you want to see all insights, you can go to all insights. And here you can find insights based on category like sales, clients, marketing, business, and also your archive. Whenever you go to sales, you can see Workee suggestions on sales. You can click on a suggestion to learn more what our AI recommends. And you can also just click edit a product and you can see suggestions exactly on the product page. Same way works for clients. For example, we see that we have Workee sees that you have email with Donna, welcome call with Donna, and Workee suggest to send you email to Donna. You can click on this email, you can preview this email, and once done, you can click on preview and send this email to Donna. And for marketing, we also suggesting you improvements to your website. And whenever you're connecting Workee to your existing website, we can also provide improvements and suggestions to your websites that you connected. For business insights, there are some considerations for you, some recommendations, as right now we see that May is International Workers' Day, and Workee suggests you to take a day off, which is great. Cool. Last but not least, our Copilot lives in different parts of application. Whenever you're going to add your product, you can click add a product and you can also see insights on product page, or just click on sales insight to review insights. Whenever you're going to booking system, you can also see insights about your booking system. Whenever you're on the client's page, Workee will also show you insights about your clients. We will show you insights on this general page, or then we can also show you insight whenever Workee will find it useful for every specific customer. So insights will be living in different parts of our application, but you can always see all insights on this page. Going next to our new dashboard. As you can see, this is how new dashboard looks like. And on this new dashboard, Workee will show you all your orders. Whenever you're getting booked, paid, or whenever you're getting any order from a customer, you can see all your orders on this page for easier navigation and just to make sure that you are not missing anything. You can also sort orders in the ways that you want to see them by categories, and you can also sort orders by dates. Whenever you're getting business updates, we will show you your total sales, total orders, and new clients, and you'll be able to see how your business performs month over month. So this is the new dashboard. Then moving forward, whenever you're going to settings, there is integration and there is new Zapier. So as you can see, I already have Zapier connected to my Workee account. The way it works, you can click on settings and you can see what type of events Workee connects. Workee connects meetings, your digital custom products, and order paid. So whenever you have meeting booked, maybe order booked, or maybe invoice paid, you can connect these three events to any application that Zapier supports. And right now it's like 5,000-6,000 of applications that Zapier supports. If you'll find that you need to have some more events, just let us know. We'll be happy to add new events for your integration. Article how you can connect Zapier to Workee. You can find the article in our dashboard page. And moving next, my website, there is analytics. And on the analytics page, you can see Meta Pixel, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and TikTok Pixel. There is dedicated articles how you can set up your analytics with Facebook Pixel, with Google Pixel. Step-by-step description. This is for professional customers who already have experience with running advertising. So here you can connect your Workee to your advertising cabinets, and whenever you're running advertising with Facebook, with Google, or with TikTok, you can make sure that Facebook can see all events in your Workee. Whenever someone opens your Workee website, whenever someone opens your booking page, whenever someone picks some time slot and make a payment, you can pass all these events to your advertising cabinets, just to make sure that Google and Facebook and TikTok, whenever you connect, that they have enough of information and they understand how your funnel performs, so that they can also improve your funnel and provide you with better audience. Analytics is just number one very crucial step for every advertising. We highly suggest you, before running any advertising, just to make sure that you have analytics connected to your Workee account and you have events set up in your analytics, so that you can see how your marketing performs. So that's pretty much it. I'm happy to share with you our April product update. We have more features and more products in our roadmap coming really soon that will enhance your marketing and provide you with more automations. So stay tuned and hope to see you soon. Bye.